Driving home from work on this wonderful Saturday, I just had a friend point out that for every keg a bar sells, that means that a bartender was standing in one spot doing nothing but pouring beer for 15 minutes. So if you had a good weekend and you sold 10 kegs, let's say, that's a pretty good weekend. That means that you had a bartender standing in one spot doing nothing for 2.5 hours. So let's look at that the other way. What if a bartender was allowed to run an open tab for 2.5 hours? What kind of damage could they do? How much could they give away in drinks and food if they were just running an open tab for 2.5 hours? That's about the dollar amount that you left on the table. That's about the dollar amount that you managed to leave on the table because your staff member, your whole staff, was stuck pouring draft beer. Now 15 minutes is the minimum. It's probably more like 30 minutes that it takes because of foam and fiddling around with changing kegs and stuff. So it's another way to look at it, and another reason you should be checking out Bottoms Up. Cheers.